Subscribe, please.
Get the super Buzzsaw. Come on, majors. Major. Super mega. Keep going, keep going. Keep going to super major. Now we need hats. We need hats. That's what the super is. We still need hats now. Oh, stop. Okay, the best possible. But you still need hats. Nice, good start. Okay. More. Keep going on that. Let's get some goals right away. Two wasted spins. There we go. Okay. At least we got some goals. Nice, 2 more goals. That's 5 goals. More hats. Come on. Some sort of line bang. Nice. One more. Stop. Nice. Oh! That's huge. That's like 5 or 6 more gold. But we didn't even have a there. We don't even have any wood to put gold. Come on, more. 2 more, nice. 1 more gold. One more. Oh, all right. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 gold. 11 gold. Let's see a major. I saw this major as the biggest major here. Everything's times 5. That's a good sign. That'll be a mini. Alright, let's see some major. Even some minors would be nice. All minis, 1 times 2. Alright. Still $500 and change. It's a good hit. 552.